This is what we have done so far. You have learnt how to sew a straight line, secure the seam, and make it look beautiful. But look, what about this fraying at the edge? This is where zigzag comes in. So if we zigzag along the edge, it means that the fray will only go as far as a zigzag, and that will keep your seams for your garments and garment alterations nice and secure. Let's zigzag. So I'm locating my zigzag, which is 7. I'm going to put my zigzag on 3.5. So both width and length, you may only have one of those, whichever dial you have, 3.5. I'm going to still leave a little tail here at the back, but I'm going to line the edge of my foot up with the edge of the fabric. So my foot is in line with the fabric, and that's where I'm going to look, and that is where I'm going to sew. Place your thumb on the back to hold the threads. Guide the fabric through. Make sure the needle's up, lift the foot, pull away to the edge of the machine, inspect your stitches, and there is your zigzag. That looks like the dots in the paper, but now we've joined them. I'm going to do the same again, but this time I'm going to press the reverse, 2 stitches, and then forwards. And get to the end, reverse, inspect the stitching, and I've now secured my zigzag at both ends. If I now place my 2 zigzags together, change my stitch back to the straight stitch, my stitch length back to 3, fabric lined up together. I'm using the 1.5 guidance on the machine, lining my 2 edges together, threads at the back, 2 reverse stitches, now forwards, reverse stitches, needle up, press the foot up, pull away, snip your threads, inspect my stitching. I now have a seam, and to finish that perfectly, I would then trim as close as I can without cutting the zigzag stitches. And then I would press it open. Keep watching to find out a couple more options which will secure and neaten your seams for a professional finish. Practice your zigzag stitch, which will finish your seams, and then start selecting your fabrics.
Have a practice in all the fabrics. See what your stitches look like on pattern fabric, on woolen fabric, on a more silkier fabric.
Once you've mastered zigzag, we can combine stitches for a stronger finish. We can sew a zigzag and a straight line, and this will really secure your edges and make your garments look professional. Now, if we look at the zigzag and the straight line, we can go even one more step further. And this is how we can use zigzag and a straight line for a really professional finish on your garments. So if you'd like to learn some more, keep watching my tutorials.
Let me know how you get on and see if you have got over your sewing machine frustration.